It's just like kids. You learn, they do learn from each other. They learn from each other. Yeah.
But it's kind of neat.
That is cool. Oh wow, that's a great move.
That was, yeah.
Yeah, like she jumps and she's still in the air and wow.
Yeah, you know when they get home how they...
Peekaboo!
What are you doing, little girl? Oh. That's nice. You be nice, Bella. She's just a little.
Yeah, I love
little
that.
But fast.
That's a great move.
There's water with that. She's so cute carrying that. Eric, that thing was like $20 and Eric saw it at the store. It was ridiculous. Like 2 adults being like, look at this toy! All her toys are destroyed, so he's like, I want to get it. She'll love it. I just want to see her running around the house with it. And it's the cutest thing. She'll grab the head and you see this long, big snake trailing behind her. But she plays with it for like 20, 30 minutes.
Wow.
Because she'll go after both sides. And then if we're lazy on the couch and, you know, we kind of feel guilty and feel like we should play, we'll take a tail and just keep going like that.
And she loves it.
Loves it.
Wow.
Loves that snake. Took the rattle out of it, though.
Oh.
Did you back up into that?
Yeah.
Uh-oh, you can't fit under that. What are you going to do? What are you going to do, Bella? Take this opportunity to sniff around. She's like, wait a minute.
Hi.
She didn't go there and smell at piggies.
Well, I'm glad they're kind of, you know, taking a little bit of a breather.
Yeah.